See, today we'll be discussing, students, we'll be discussing what points I'll tell you. Refractive index. We'll be discussing the relation between a refractive index and velocities, and that's all. Please concentrate here. As I told you, what is refraction? The change in the direction of ray of light. The change in the direction of ray of light when it travels from one medium to another. Students, refraction depends on a very important factor. That factor is called as a refractive index. Refractive index, as the refractive index of the given medium changes, the direction of the ray of light also changes. The velocity of the ray of light also changes. As the color, or we'll put it like this, a refractive index of the given medium is different for even different colors. Means as the refractive index of the medium changes, the amount of refraction, the change in the direction of light also changes. If the color of light changes, the refractive index is different for different colors. So, two important factors. Refractive index is different for different media. Refractive index is different for different colors of the same light, because one light is a blender or a composition of 7 beautiful colors. One thing. Second thing, students had already told you that if you, in the textbook, they have given a chart where the refractive index is the least for air or vacuum. Around about for vacuum it is 1, and for air it is slightly 1.0008 and all that. And refractive index of diamond is the highest, students, that is 2.42. सांगायचं काय तुम्हाला की म्हणून डायमंड इतकं ब्युटिफुली शाईन करतं. इट्स बिकॉज रे ऑफ लाईट अंडरगोज मल्टिपल एकदाच रिफ्रॅक्शन नाही होत. इट अंडरगोज मल्टिपल रिफ्रॅक्शन्स, आणि जितके रिफ्रॅक्शन्स ज्यादा तेवढी त्याची शायनिंग ज्यादा, आणि जेवढी शायनिंग ज्यादा तेवढं त्याचं रेट जास्त. ओके, सो इट डिपेंड्स ऑन हाऊ द डायमंड इज कट. म्हणजे कटिंग ऑफ डायमंड डिसाइड्स इट्स रेट अँड द अमाउंट ऑफ मल्टिपल रिफ्रॅक्शन्स. टुडे वी विल बी डिस्कसिंग द रिलेशन बिटवीन रिफ्रॅक्टिव्ह इंडेक्स and velocity. Okay, for that a simple diagram which will not come in your exams, but to explain I need the help of this diagram, students. Concentrate here. Let v1 and v2 with the velocities of light in medium 1. I'll write here medium 1. Medium 1 can be anything. It may be water, it may be glass, it may be air, it may be anything. We do. Let v1 be the velocity, small letters, don't use capital letters. Let v1 be the velocity in medium 1, v2 be the velocity in medium 2. Okay. Refractive index is denoted by the alphabet n, small n. जरा नीट आहे का हा? When the ray of light, it's like this, students. मी एक normal perpendicular काढली. When the ray of light travels from one medium to another, it changes its direction at this surface here, where it is the boundary between the medium 1 and medium 2. When the ray of light travels from first medium to another, it changes its direction. Litana, careful. Ray of light, how is it traveling? As per the arrow, it is traveling from medium 1 to medium 2. असं लिहायचं. Is equal to velocity of light in the first medium to the velocity of light in the second medium. Okay, one thing. How do you read it? Neat आहे का? We read it as, here, let me repeat, ray of light is traveling from medium 1 to medium 2. How do we read it? We read it as refractive index of second medium with respect to WRT. Refractive index of second medium with respect to first medium. Next, आता बरोबर reverse करा. If the ray of light is traveling from medium 2 to medium 1, if the उलट केलं मी direction. If the ray of light is traveling from medium 2 to medium 1, you write it like this, 2 to 1. टेक्स्टबुक मध्ये उलट केले सांगून ठेवते. सो कॉन्फिडेंटली सांगते की टेक्स्टबुक मध्ये फक्त इथं मिस्टेक आहे, बाकी इथं नाही. सो व्हेन द रे ऑफ लाईट ट्रॅव्हल्स फ्रॉम सेकंड मीडियम टू फर्स्ट, वी टेक द रेशियो ऑफ द वेलॉसिटी ऑफ द सेकंड मीडियम अपॉन द वेलॉसिटी इन फर्स्ट मीडियम. दॅट्स इट. एक पॉईंट सांगते. दुसरं पॉईंट म्हणजे समजा अमंग द टू मीडिया, मे बी मीडियम 1 और मीडियम 2, if one medium, one of the two happens to be vacuum, then the तुम्हाला 1 2 लिहायची गरज नाही. We have to only write it as n. N is equal to v1 upon v2. That is when one among the two media, that is when one among the two media is vacuum. We need not write it as 1, 2, we have to only write it as n, where n is called as absolute refractive index. When do we use the letter only n? We use it when one among the two media is vacuum. That's it. परत revise, refractive index of second with respect to first म्हणायचं. Here the ray of light is traveling from medium 1 to medium 2 is equal to the velocity ratio of the velocity in the first medium to the second medium. Similarly, here if you change the direction, if the ray of light is traveling from second to first medium, it is the ratio बरोबर उलट करा V2 upon V1, and among the two if one medium is vacuum, then we write it as only n, where n is equal to V1 upon V2. Ends the job. What is n called? N is called as absolute refractive index. आता important point सांगते. Medium 1, medium 2, normal. नीट आहे का? If the refractive index, if the ray of light travels from rarer to denser medium. Rarer means where the density of the medium is less. Denser means whose density is comparatively more. म्हणजे among the two, denser is the one whose density is more than the first medium किंवा rarer medium. नीट आहे का हा? When the ray of light travels from rarer to denser medium, it bends towards the normal. Normal is this perpendicular. When the ray travels from rarer to denser, it bends towards the normal. उल्टा करा. When the ray travels from denser to rarer medium, means whose refractive index is more, whose density is more. If it travels from denser to rarer, compare the two diagrams, it bends away from the normal. I'll repeat. When the ray travels from rarer to denser, means whose density is comparatively among the two, whose density is lesser. When it travels from rarer to denser, it bends towards the normal. आता उलट करूया. When the ray of light travels from denser to rarer medium, it bends away from the normal. And third, if the ray of light is, just follow this diagram, if the ray of light is incident along the normal, like this, it neither undergoes reflection, neither undergoes refraction, neither changes its direction, it travels straight. Okay, 3 important points you have to by heart. When the ray of light travels from rarer, rarer means whose density is lesser. When the ray travels from rarer to denser, the ray bends towards the normal. When it travels from denser to rarer medium, it bends away from the normal. And when it is incident along the normal, it neither undergoes reflection, neither undergoes refraction. काहीच होत नाही, सरळ जाते ते. That's it. कळतं? A very important part. I'll repeat it again. If V1 and V2 are the velocities in two media, how do we read it as? Refractive index of second with respect to first is equal to V1 upon V2. When the ray is traveling from first medium to second. Now when the ray is traveling from second to first, we write it exactly in the reverse way, V2 upon V1. If one among the two media is vacuum, you need not mention that 1 and 2. You can just write it as n, where n is called as absolute refractive index. When the ray travels from rarer to denser towards the normal, denser to rarer, away from the normal, along the normal, travels straight without doing anything. That's it. Clear होता? Okay. One thing. Give reason study करूया. मुलं exams मध्ये ते give reason म्हणून येतात. They don't come as answers. I think in the next period I'll try to finish this topic and we'll enter into science too. असे खूप easy topics आहेत like disaster management, social health, which is very common concepts of everyday life. म्हणजे मुलांना ते नुसतं वाचूनही कळण्यासारखे इतके easy topics आहेत. I'll take those. I will explain, no doubt. Will not take any difficult topic now. Concentrate now. We'll be discussing something called as mirage. Mirage. You know, nature plays with us as it's playing now. It foolishes us. It makes a fool out of us. Though we are very intelligent animal on earth, still nature fools us. And the best example of that is mirage. Students, mirage. What is mirage? आता ह्या जंक्शनला, आता दिस इयर इट वॉज नॉट पॉसिबल, दॅट्स अवर बॅड लक. फ्रॉम चाइल्डहुड यू मॅड हॅव सीन दॅट. कारण तुम्ही डेझर्ट्स किंवा सफारी विफारी केली नसेल, यू हॅव नॉट बीन टू राजस्थान ऑर एनी दुबई अँड ऑल दॅट. पण एक नॉर्मल आता ह्या लेवलला तुम्हाला काय एक्झाम्पल द्यायचं, समर सीझनमध्ये समजा यू आर गोईंग आउट ऑफ स्टेशन समवेअर ऑन अ जर्नी आणि कारमध्ये बसला तुमच्या, थोडं ट्रॅव्हल करताना समजा यू आर ऑन अ हायवे अँड रोड इज टू हॉट, इट्स अ मंथ ऑफ मे ॲज हिअर नाव. आणि ना जर एक झाड बीड असेल ना, झाडाच्या अशी आजूबाजूला झाडं असतील आणि तुम्ही त्या रोडवरून जात असाल, क्लीन नो ट्रॅफिक रोड आहे, अतिशय क्लीन आणि छान वाटतंय, तर तुम्हाला ॲट अ टिपिकल डिस्टन्स ऑफ राऊंड अबाउट 100 मीटर अँड ऑल दॅट तुम्हाला थोडा एक इल्युजन येतं की झाडं बिडं पाहिजेत ना तिथं, पाणी पडलंय, पाणी पडलंय आणि तुम्हाला असं यू आर अंडर दॅट डिलेमा ऑर कन्फ्युजन दॅट समवेअर देअर इट हॅज बीन रेन्ड, आत्ताच कुठेतरी पाऊस पडून गेलाय, आणि तुम्ही वेन यू रीच दॅट स्पॉट, म्हणजे व्हेकल मूव्स अहेड, you don't find any water and all that. You only find that from a distance the road appears to be wet. Example number 1. Example number 2, in deserts, you know, these travelers and all that, you know, those who are refugees, those who are tribal people and all, those who can't stay in one place, ते टेंट्स बांधतात, इथं काम मिळालं इथं केलं, टेंट बांधला, आपले उंट घेतले, आपले सगळं सामान घेतलं, आणि दे आर वॉकिंग कंटिन्युअसली ऑन द थार डेझर्ट. द टेम्परेचर इज सोरिंग व्हेरी हाय. तेव्हा ना एक त्यांना असं एक म्हणजे वेन दे वॉक, आय टेल यू दिस ऑल्सो, वेन दे वॉक, वेन दे लुक ॲट अ डिस्टन्स दे फाइंड दॅट सम काइंड ऑफ रिफ्लेक्शन ऑफ वॉटर इज सीन. हां, पाणी असल्यासारखं एक भास कसा होतो, भास, इल्युजन म्हणजे भास, अँड दॅट इज मिरेज स्टुडंट्स, इट्स अन ऑप्टिकल इल्युजन. त्यांची गैरसमज होते की असं काहीतरी शेक, वॉटरची रिफ्लेक्शन कशी होते तसं शेक झाल्यासारखं दिसतं. They keep on walking and they find that they have been fooled. Actually, there was no water and all that. It's only a kind of reflection created, and that is called as mirage. Students, you know what is mirage? Let me tell you what happens exactly when light ray from a distant object. आता एक झाड आहे, काय असेल, when the light ray from a distant object, because of atmospheric refraction, when a light ray of a distant object enters our eye, आता इथं तुम्ही थांबलाय, हां इथं तुम्ही थांबलाय, when the light ray from a distant object, दूर एक झाड आहे, वाळलेलं काय आहे ना, पण झाड आहे, when the light ray from a distant object enters the person's eye, for him the light ray actually happens to come from the image formed below the object. ह्याची सावली पडलेली असते. Because of refraction, like rays of light undergo refraction. Now you may ask me how refraction? Because during the hot summer season, the sand or the road is extremely hot, and the air medium which is closer to it, it's extremely hot. Hence the refractive index is different. And as we move higher and higher, the refractive index, त्याचं टेम्परेचर कमी होतं, एअरचं सांगते. त्यामुळे because it's not in contact with sand or road, and hence as we move higher and higher, refractive index becomes more and more. Because of the changing refractive index, the rays of light undergo refraction, bending towards the normal and all that. And for the man, the rays of light appear to be coming from the image of the object formed below it. Object ची ही सावली आहे, इमेज आहे, which is formed below the object. त्याला हे दिसतं, हे झाडाची सावली दिसते, आणि त्याची गैरसमज अशी होते. and because air is a movable object, students, ते शेक होते. ते शेक झाल्यामुळे त्याचा असं गैरसमज होते की येस देर इज वॉटर हिअर, कळतंय, दॅट इज व्हॉट क्रिएट्स अन इफेक्ट. तसंच उन्हाळ्यात रोडवर होतं की झाडाची एखादी सावली पडलेली असते आणि त्या सावलीचे रेस बिकॉज ऑफ रिफ्रॅक्शन, अ प्रोसेस ऑफ रिफ्रॅक्शन, ॲज अ रिफ्रॅक्टिव्ह इंडेक्स ऑफ ड्यू टू हॉट एअर, रिफ्रॅक्टिव्ह इंडेक्स ऑफ layers of air are different, they go on increasing, and as the refractive index changes, you know, refraction takes place. त्या माणसाला ही लाईट रेज इथून आले त्याच्या डोळ्यात जातात, and therefore he sees, if it moves and all, he finds that there is a availability of water. Actually it is not so. That is the reason here. Same happens with holy. What is mirage? Mirage is an optical illusion which is experienced by a person when the light ray from the image of that object enters its eye. आय रिपीट अगेन, म्हणजे डेफिनेशन जर तुम्हाला विचारलं एक्झाममध्ये की व्हॉट इज अ मिरेज, मिरेज इज अन ऑप्टिकल इल्युजन. ऑप्टिकल इल्युजन म्हणजे अ इल्युजन, एक भास क्रिएटेड बाय लाईट. ऑप्टिकल इल्युजन formed from the image of the object entering the eyes of the human being, that is called as a mirage. हे डेझर्ट मध्ये पण हाच एक्सपिरियन्स येतो आणि सुकलेलं झाड असतं डेझर्टमध्ये, अदरवाइज क्लीन झाड येते इथं. हां, दॅट्स इट. सो मिरेज इज अन ऑप्टिकल इल्युजन. दॅट्स इट स्टुडंट्स. कळतं? वन थिंग, होली फायर तुम्ही बघाल, पेटवली ना होळी, फायर वरती तुम्ही बघाल, फायरच्या वरती बघायचं टिपला, तर तुम्हाला ते असं शेकी शेकी काइंड ऑफ वेव्ही स्ट्रक्चर ऑफ एअर दिसतो. दॅट इज ऑल्सो अ रिझन ऑफ atmospheric refraction. लोकल लेवलला रिफ्रॅक्शन होतं. हाऊ डज इट टेक प्लेस? बिकॉज अबाउट द होली फायर द एअर इज हॉट, द एअर इज हॉट, refractive index of different layers of air are different. Also air is a mobile object. It changes its direction, and as it direction त्याची it keeps on changing its direction, and as it is a mobile object, it's a movable object. The we'll put here like this, the waves of air appear to or we can the smoke appears wavy in nature. Wavy in nature, सापासारखा दिसतो तो, wavy in nature. That's it. That is the two example here. So what is a mirage? Mirage is an optical illusion caused by the light rays from the image of the object entering the eye. Even on a hot holy fire, above the hot holy fire, air is hot. Refractive index, as we move higher and higher, refractive index increases. As the hotness of air increases, refractive index कमी होते मुलांनो. And as we move higher and higher, refractive index increases. And therefore, as the refractive index changes, refraction takes place, and air is a mobile object, move होत राहते, त्यामुळे it appears like a snake-like structures. That's it. You have experienced this. हे तुम्ही रोडवर एक्सपिरियन्स केला असेल, डेझर्ट्समध्ये नसला असेल तरी. दॅट्स इट. फॉर टुडे आय विल स्टॉप स्टुडंट्स. हे एवढं नीट वाचून घ्या. इन द नेक्स्ट पिरियड विल कंटिन्यू विथ व्हाय डू स्टार्स ट्विंकल, व्हाय डू प्लॅनेट्स नॉट ट्विंकल, अँड डिस्पर्शन ऑफ लाईट. ठीक आहे. विल गो बिट स्लोली, अँड आफ्टर दॅट आय विल एंटर इन टू सायन्स सिलेबस स्टुडंट्स. दॅट्स इट. क्लिअर? ओके.